View from the highest point on the Blue Sky Loop near Fraser, Colorado. You found something kind of unique on this trail. What'd you find?
Clover.
Four-leaf clover. Pretty cool. We're about halfway. A little more than halfway, actually.
My guess is worth the picture.
Lewis is having a snack.
Wow, that's huge.
Oh, that's a really big aspen.
Oh my god, I've never seen no aspen so big.
So Ella read that this trail is used for snowmobiles and like cross-country skiing in the wintertime. Makes a lot of sense. Oh boy. Most of this was through the forest. But this is really a cool road. I don't really care for roads when I'm hiking, but there's a lot to see from here and really nice views of mountains. Oh, a little bit back there. So a really nice thing about this is that you pass this river several times. The stream. Beautiful. These pipes here bringing it from under the road